I will hunt you down and make you stand by your insults. I have answered each and every insult that I came across. And because I don't know who you are a user, whatever, I put my response directly on your DMs. And then I printed each and every insult and my response, and I attached them to your forms that have your names, your ID number, and your addresses. I employed a private investigator to trace down those that I don't have their details, because all of you will stand up and swear at me in my face in court.
Nizoyeka ukuba yama respecter of people. Khona into ethanda ukushiwo lapha eBhayibhelini ethi, do not be a respecter of persons. eBhayibhelini yasho le nto leya. But what I noticed about a lot of people, and y'all will not admit this, but this is true. You guys, umntu xa enemali, number one, aphinde abe educated, nimthathela phezulu. And I mentioned this when Prof. Anele first came in, especially when she wanted to recruit you guys to create your own economy and whatever, because I just found it a bit off to say, Bana, you first introduce yourself with a story, so by a victim, and then quickly, once you have the people, people's attention and people's sorrow, you use, this is psychological, obviously, because but you're already hooked. You love like listening to a struggle story, and once she got you hooked, she then said, invest in this. And very strategically, so I'm not saying that is wrong. No, that is not wrong. It is your money, it's your choice, it is your, it's yours. But you do not look, you guys, you do not look we in between the lines. You don't look at the finer lines. You don't look at the surface level. You just see a person just because level, you take everything, you don't question anything. I think my biggest issue at first was that you don't question it. But either put me up. Ngifana imamela mama lokhuluma nani kanjani. Ningitshela ngiyayithanda nalento leyo. They were yakhuluma nani ngakhona. That should be one of the biggest red flags. The way she addresses you. It should be the biggest red flag. Ngiyayazi sometimes you go out of character. And maybe you're experiencing something new and you just don't know how to handle. But for an educated person like her, this is her every day. And Mina, I would never want to deal with someone like this. I don't care. Ngifuna nimuzwe, ngimamele nje. Yazi ngilinde ukuthi ngibheke ukuthi uzophela lapho lento le ngimblockele mama, because mina ake ngikhona. Uzwani uthini?
Tell me that I disappointed you. You are disappointed in me. Because I want ticks on social media.
Uzwani?
I'm not interested in not that person. You are not going to abuse our African brothers and sisters who have done nothing to you, when you should be directing your anger at the very people who have employed you to go and march. That's what you should have done from the first place. So I'm not going to keep quiet and not tell you what is wrong because I want ticks on social media. I'm not interested in that. You can take all your ticks off. I'm not interested in them. But I will not keep quiet, because first of all, you don't even understand what the problem is. You're just venting your anger at the wrong people. Then you have the audacity to tell me that I disappointed you. Okay. You are disappointed in me. You only get disappointed if you create an expectation and that expectation is not met. Which means you created an expectation that I'm an airhead and I must massage and promote the stupid acts you are taking in the street. If I tell you...
she doesn't even have... your stupid act. But means are stupid. Don't want to get into too much into this, but she's calling you guys stupid. That is how she has viewed you from the beginning. Lo mama. And nizotanga sho. Ya baza bangatheka ngisathi ngiba baza bangatheka. Yebona ke alimameli. Unjani manje? Umama wenu unijikele. Unijikele umama wenu ngifuna ukuthi umamelisele part.
And not abuse our African brothers and sisters. Africa is very united on this issue. We all agree.
I see we all agree.
The issue of illegal immigrants
we
is
all who's we all
unique to South Africa.
I love how she will just include you guys so that it's a collective decision. Ours, family. She gets you hooked. Psychological mastermind, this one. Mara, anizuyibona. Ngicela nimuze makasakanitredinisha ke. Ungichaza masakanitredinisha. Ngicela nimuze. Mamenu.
I mean, one of the things that really made me laugh is they say Standard Bank should have just finished me off. Go and ask Standard Bank.
Go and ask Standard Bank.
If you're able to finish me off.
Uti, I don't get insulted by airheads. I love it because you guys were quick sending your ID numbers. No, I knew. Uti, the way she was just saying, I want your photo, your ID. Hey, this one. Hey, they want be cheese, Nina. That one, from a picture, ID number and everything. If you want to track her down. Hey, it was my address way. Yeah, they said it's normal. I gonna. Utinje, she's gonna go after each and every one. To. Yeah. Hi guys, mamenu, umamenu, ha.
Professor Anel, siyakuzwa sisi. Siyakuzwa ngayo yonke into oyishoyo. White supremacy, konke lokho kushoyo siyakuzwa. Awukuze ne solution sisi manje. Yabo? Ngoba akusizi ulogu ucriticize wena neqembu lakho bonke abantu abakusekayo. Yabo? Ake nize ne solution. Yabo? Ake nize ne solution. Ngoba manje sibhizi siyaqwebhana sodwa manje. Yabo? Njengoba usho ukuthi i-agenda ye white supremacy ntontoni. Siyakuza sisi. Iza ne solution. Abantu bethu la eSouth Africa abakwazi uku-accessa izibhedlela, abakwazi uku-accessa amakliniki, kugcwele ama-foreigners. Iza ne-solution, sitshele ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Yabo? Ikolo zethu zabantu abamnyama emalokishini. Wena uhlala elokishini. Yabo? Nama ngihlala elokishini. Kodwa ngiya understand abantwana bami abakazi bafunde elokishini. Bafunde kuma private school. Abantwana bami abakaze bahlale elokishini. Yabo? Kodwa ngiya-understanda impi ehlasele lapha emalokishini. Ngi-understanda kahle. Maybe awunazi ihlobo esihlala elokishini. Thina sivakashe emalokishini, sivakashele ihlobo zethu. Siya drive siye khona, siyabona inkinga abantu bakithi abahlangabezana nazo. The other day ngayenza ivideo of my brother who was killed by foreigners. Uthini ngalezo zinto lezo? was killed because of foreigners, because he was patrolling. He was patrolling indawo ahlala kuyo. Yabona? Whether part of the people that killed him were not foreigners. Kodwa still, at the end of the day, kupushwa i-agenda yama-drugs. Iza ne-solution. Sitshele ukuthi wena, i-solution oza nayo yini. Stop criticizing, guys. Siyacela, stop criticizing without coming up with solutions. Siyazizwa zonke lezi zinto ozikhulumayo. Yebo, siyazizwa. Kodwa siyacela, izani nama-solution. Akusizi. Siyazizwa isilungu esikhulu enisikhulumayo usibiza ukuthi we are uneducated. Some of us esilokhunjayo esenzayo lama video is not because you are not educated. We may not have a doctorate or be a professor njengawe, but it doesn't mean ukuthi we are not learned. Yabo? Enye solution esifuna ukuthi usizele ngayo ukuthi usitshele yona. Njengoba wena you are learned. Sitshele ngala amanye ama-country ukuthi why uma siya kuwo do we have to carry passports? If i-Africa yethu sonke, sitshele, sinikeze i-solution yalokho ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Sinikeze i-solution yama-undocumented foreigners agcwele la kule country yethu. Ukuthi how should they be accounted for? Uma becommita i-crime, uma benza zonke lezi zinto abazenzayo, uma bebulala abantwana bethu, uma labo belungu okhuluma ngabo ababulala abantwana bethu asikababoni. Mhlambe wena uyabazi, mhlambe uke wahlangana nabo bebhizi bebulala abantwana bethu. Yabo? So sinikeza i-solution yokuthi senze njani. Siyizwa kahle. Siyayizwa kahle lento ishoyo ye-agenda ye-white supremacy, siyizwa kahle. Kodwa iza ne-solution sisi. Iza ne-solution. Angithi wena phela ufundile kunathi, uhlakaniphile kunathi. Iza ne-solution, usitshele ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Makwenziwe njani? Ngalama undocumented. Ubonile ukuthi kwenzakalani eDurban. Ubonile Sherwood ukuthi kuyisinyamfu esingakanani. Ubonile. Okay, asithi ke labo belungu bayabaletha labo belungu ukuthi bazobavotela. It's fine. Siphe i-solution. Siphe i-solution. Ayisizi lento leyo oyikhulumayo ayisisizi ngalutho ngoba thina sikhuluma i-reality, sikhuluma ngezinto esizifaceayo. Awukazi ubona ama-South African afika kwamanye ama-country abulala abantu ngesihluku. In numbers. As I'm talking about my brother, let me tell you, that very week, it's the past week before my brother died, about 14 people died. A week when in fact, the day when my brother died, he died with 3 more people. Sinikeze ke i-solution ke ukuthi makwenziwe njani, makwenzeke izinto ezinjalo, siphena ama-solution. Yekani ukuloku nisitshela niscriticize. Akekho futhi umuntu ku-March and March, akekho umuntu othe abantu mababulawe, akekho umuntu othe abantu makuluthwe itoro. Yebo kukhona ama-element, kanti yini le enala ukuyizwa? Yini le eningafuni ukuyizwa? Ukuthi there are bad elements. Kuso sonke struggle, there has always been bad elements ezithatha i-advantage. There's always been bad elements ezithatha i-advantage of the struggle. If uyasazi struggle kahle, uzokwazi ukuthi angeke kuhlale kungabi nama bad elements. Sitshele ke ukuthi makwenziwe njani. Iza nama-solution, please. Sicela ama-solution manje. Sizwile isilungu sakho, sizwile ukuthi uyiprofessor sizwile ukuthi udoctor thina we are not interested in ukuthi sikhulume awethu amalokhunja yabo we are not interested ngoba hleze mhlambe vele we are not as learned as you are but I think education nayo iyakutshela ukuthi everywhere even in Africa everywhere I've been to a lot of countries here in Africa. There has never been a place here in Africa la ngihambe ngayongena khona even la ku close khona abantu bakithi eSwazini eBotswana yangizwa ukuthi ngithini I had to have ilokhunja I passport e valid ngingena ngepassport ngiphuma ngepassport even nemoto yami fanele ingene yaziwe ukuthi ingenile lapho ene ukuthi izophuma nini kwaziwe ukuthi iphumile or mangaba ikaphumi izophuma nini. Hayi man guys again siyekeni ngesilungu senu sizwile isilungu sisizwile sicela ama solution manje izani nama solution sitsheleni ukuthi masenze njani hayi sikhathele I white supremacy ukuthi sizoloku idenguliwa la ephambi kwethu njenge carrot siloku sitshelwa ngayo sizwile ngayo however okwamanje lezo izinto esizabuye sizibone yabo u2029 akakafiki sizobona ngo2029 ukuthi senze njani njenge country ene nawo lawo ma country lawo amayopic lawo ma country lawo azosizonda ezi South Africa because silwela ama rights wethu ekubeni bona ngokwabo bayayenza lento le futhi bona benza wese hayi man guys anmeni kancane.
Now a professor comes out and says, since you guys are saying that by the 30th of June all illegal immigrants should leave the country, right? Let us see that on the 1st of July, how many jobs basically South Africans will have gotten. Now, see, when it comes to that whole thing, I'm like, if you're a professor, we assume you're smart because you're well educated, right? So it can either be one of two things, and that's my opinion. It's either you look at us and you think we are dumb. We're very, very, very stupid to a point where we wouldn't use our own brain to actually reason and think. Or it's impossible. High chances are on the 1st of July, there won't even be companies open because we don't even know what's going to happen. Do you understand? And every single company will need to go back to the drawing board to see how many people are gone, how many people they can bring in, interviews and everything. So clearly, Kadi 1 July, there won't be any change because Rome also was not built in one day. So for me, I'm like, it's either you look at us and you think we're just very stupid, or we actually overestimated your smartness. Like, I feel like it can only be one of two things. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think Banana already ahead?
Hello, Mzansi. Welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. People are coming for Prof Anele, ngilotshenda kakhulu exposing Standard Bank and utrend again ngemva kokuthi avikele abantu bokufika eSouth Africa ngalokho ngeke emthethweni athi engema South Africans ibhekiswe ebantwini aba-wrong which is foreigners and asho nenzabe ukuthi foreigners awaseyinkinga eSouth Africa ukhuluma into eningi lokucasula abantu bafela ngazuthi khuluma lokho yena because unemali akakhoni ucabangela labanye abantu nangokuthi akahlala nabo labantu she doesn't know the challenges that South Africans are facing ngenzaba yema illegal foreigners and bantu abaningi yasenkosi ayibe bamthemba lo maka because they really looked up to her but bamangala ukuthi yibo ngani ucabanga kancane so keep it video lo maka athi bantu bamthuka and utobasuwa uthi nje nito yakumtshela ukuthi uyasangana enkantolo because udonisa ecourt one by one kesana Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.